Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you already saw our club set for this month, Sunday to Stamp. There's the stamps and there's the dies. But if you know me very well, you know that I can seldom stop at just one stamp and die set because I have the ideas just flowing in the brain and I just can't stop. So I went a little further and I designed this stamp set because I needed a waffle cone. Absolutely, right? Here's the club set. I needed a waffle cone. I needed a swirl piece of ice cream, and of course I needed a spoon, and I needed more sayings. What are these sayings? These are sweet dreams. It's always ice cream o'clock somewhere. Go sprinkles or go home. You are the sprinkles to my ice cream. I'll stop the world and melt with you and hope your birthday is the sweetest. I've also included some cute little stamps for sprinkles. Now, look, and some more little nuts over on the side. Also, you are getting the dies that match, which are awesome. You're getting that big spoon, perfect for the club set as well. You're getting the ice cream waffle cone and the soft serve ice cream. Keep in mind, my friends, these are all interchangeable, right? So for example, you could use the ice cream scoop in the cone or the soft serve in the dish. You get to mix and match, and I have lots of fun samples to share with you. Are you ready? Also, we have some fun mini pudgies to share with you. Now, I know how much you guys all love the pudgies in the normal size, and we had so many requests for the mini pudgies, and mini pudgy set number 1, stamps and dies, flew out the door. We have, look at how cute these are. We have the bear, the koala, the turkey, a doggy, like the bulldog kind of. We have a birdie, an owl, a reindeer, perfect for the holidays. We have the unicorn, the shark, the raccoon, the lion, and the dinosaur, and of course, hello, the dies that match. Now, these mini pudgies are so fun because this size you can do so much with. Now, let's look at our ice cream samples first, and then we'll move on to our pudgy samples. Here is a cute one with that soft serve with some fun sprinkles with glitter and that awesome waffle cone. Ooh, here is a swirled ice cream with that waffle cone. Here is the swirl ice cream in our cone, which is really fun, or I'm sorry, in our dish. Here is a triple scoop. Oh my goodness, doesn't that make you hungry? I love that. I absolutely love that one. Here's a fun one with that swirl in that waffle cone. Here's one, look at that, on a 5x7 card. So yummy looking. You just want to grab it, don't you? Isn't that yummy looking? Here's an awesome one that says sweet, using our sweet statement set, which is really fun. It's always ice cream o'clock somewhere. Oh, now look at how beautiful and vintage looking this one is. Hope your birthday is the sweetest, and look at how cute that little cone is. Now let's move on to our mini pudgies number 2. Are you ready? Look at how cute that little birdie is right there with our elegant labels. So fun. Now, are you ready for this one? Look at this. Isn't that adorable? With our house fold it. We have our house fold it, and we have 3 little critters ready to go. Or you could use the cute little reindeer on a tag with our friend's background die. Here's a cute one, So Glad We're Friends, with our cute little owl. I love him. Now, look at this one. Isn't this stunning? Look at that cute little birdie on that little bird bath. So cute. Open it up, write your message, but look how beautiful that is. Now, this one is really fun. This is with our grid, our stitched grid. Now, everybody has a spot. It reminds me of the Brady Bunch, how everybody had their square, but isn't that cute how everybody has their little spot? Here's a cute one using our photo die. Look how cute that is. Bear hugs to you with the koala bear, because it's a koala bear, and the cute little bear. And look at how fun this one is, you guys. I absolutely adore this one. It's a rainbow of mini pudgies. Look at how cute that is. We have our red bird. This reminds me of, I'm reading the book to the babies all the time now. Brown bear, what do you see? Look at this. You could go crazy with this one, right? I see a red bird. I see a blue owl. I see a black dog. I see a purple shark. So much fun. Now, club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these products. And if you are not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. Imagine getting my entire website. Nothing is excluded. That means everything on our website at 15 to 20% off every single day. Now, if we're having a flash sale, that means not only do you get the flash sale price, you also get your club discount on top of that, so you get to double dip on the discounts. And you get the club points, and you get the anniversary gift certificates when you've been in a club for a full year. It's amazing, and so many freebies. We've been throwing the freebies out all the time. Go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and watch that video and find out how awesome the club is. Now, club members, you already know you're getting the club discount. Get in on these quick, because you know it takes us a while to get them back in stock once they're out of stock. And you know what? You're gonna have so much fun, not only with those ice creams, but with these fun, cute little mini pudgies. Mix and match and have some fun. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.